In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms for Business. It's an incredibly versatile tool that can streamline various business processes, from collecting feedback to managing orders, and I'll guide you through it in just 5 minutes. First, you'll need to head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, sign in with your Google account. If you don't already have an account, it's a simple and quick process to set one up. This step gets you access to a powerful tool within the Google Workspace suite tailored for creating and managing forms with ease. Now that you're signed in, you'll see an option to either click on a blank form or choose from a variety of templates. If you're new to Google Forms, you might want to explore the templates as they offer excellent starting points for specific purposes like feedback forms or order forms. On the other hand, if you already have a clear idea in mind, starting with a blank form gives you complete creative freedom. Once your form is open, it's time to add the necessary fields. Consider what information you need to gather. Common elements include input fields for names and emails, but you can also add drop-down menus, checkboxes, and more depending on the context. This customization will ensure you capture exactly what you need from your respondents in the most efficient manner. The next important aspect is the settings menu. Here you have the option to enable email collection, which is especially useful for follow-ups or building contact lists. You can also limit responses to one per person, which is great for surveys where you want to avoid duplication. Additionally, you can craft a custom message to confirm receipt of a submission, adding a professional touch that reassures respondents that their input has been successfully received. Now, let's talk about branding. Google Forms allows you to add your business logo and colors, helping to maintain brand consistency across all your public-facing forms. This personal touch not only makes your forms visually appealing, but also reinforces your brand identity. Once your form is to your liking, click on the Send button. This brings up options for sharing your form. You can send it via a direct link, through email, or even embed it on your website, making it accessible to your audience wherever they interact with your brand. After your forms are sent out and responses start coming in, you can view all entries in the Responses tab. For a more detailed analysis, link your form to a Google Sheets document. This integration allows you to manipulate the data with various functions and create graphs for deeper insights. Finally, use this information to enhance your business, whether it's gathering leads, soliciting feedback, or tracking customer interactions. With Google Forms, the data you collect can power significant improvements in how you connect and communicate with your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy form creating!